it's Namee, and today I'm doing a full hair transformation. I'm going to be dyeing my hair black. So come with me to do my hair. Hi. Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you. How can I help you?
I want this one because it has 9 levels of lift. I'm vlogging. For toner, I'm using T18. I'm gonna need 2 of these, pink and black. I'm gonna go in with a color remover first. There's 3 parts to this. It's the color fix from One and Only. Equal parts, part 1 and part 2. And then process for 20 minutes. Pour number 1. I need a lot of this, so I'm gonna open the cap. It smells. Oh my gosh, it smells like rotten eggs. My gloves. Mix this. This looks like it's not gonna be enough for my whole head of hair, but we'll see what it does in terms of lifting the color. I'm gonna apply to my ends first and then kind of work my way to the roots. I'm just gonna apply it with my hands and kind of brush it out and apply it, brush it out and apply it. Oh, it's so dark in here, can't see well. Welcome back to Namee's Ratchet Salon. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm hoping it'll at least remove some of the color. Okay, I'm going to let this process for 20 minutes and I shall be back. So it's been 20 minutes. It doesn't look that different, but it does look a little bit more green. I'm gonna wash my hair, shampoo twice, dry it, and come back for the bleach. I forgot about part 3. My hair feels like hay. I'm supposed to leave this in for 5 minutes. So I'm going with 15 volume developer. The reason why I'm going so low is because I'm going to be working pretty slowly. You okay? Tired already. Okay, I went in with 20 volume all over the scalp. It's all over my forehead. So I've applied to my whole head. My roots look good though, I think. I just want the ends to process, and my hair is snapping. My scalp is on fire. It's only been 5 minutes, but I think it's time to wash the hair. Look how bright it is. It came out so good. I'm so happy with it. I'm actually going to, I was planning to tone it, but I'm actually going to do it pink and then black straight. I'm using Arctic Fox Electric Paradise, and I think I can use this whole bottle on my head. Hopefully 1 bottle is enough. My hair got shorter. Oh my gosh. Hey Siri, timer for 20 minutes. Woohoo! I'm using Arctic Fox's Transylvania. It is a blue-based black, and so I don't want my hair to turn green because it's platinum blonde right now. Not right now, it's pink right now. That's why I dyed my hair pink first. So let's go! Oh my gosh! It's so pink. Black, let's go. It's so dark. It kind of smells like barn. It smells like cow poop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my hair is snapping, snapping. Ooh, snapping. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. And the great thing about this hair combo is that it washes out silver. It's gonna be so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 20 minutes and I will be back. I am officially done doing my hair. It is done and it is traumatized. My hair is traumatized. It keeps snapping when I go like this, you see? But, you know, what's a few hairs? I'll just consider it a haircut. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.